Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to protect personal information. With so much of our lives happening online these days, it's more important than ever to keep our personal information safe and secure. In this video, we'll show you a few simple tips and tricks to help you protect your personal information from online threats. Let's see some important points to protecting personal information. Whenever you use any social media platform, online tools, or emails, then always create and use a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to create a password that is difficult to guess. Avoid using personal information like your name, birth date, or address in your password. Be cautious when opening emails or clicking on links from unknown senders. Check the sender's email address and look for any red flags like spelling mistakes or suspicious links. When in doubt, don't click on the link or provide any personal information. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by requiring you to provide two forms of identification, like a password and a code sent to your phone to access your account. Keep your computer up to date with the latest security patches. Install updates from your operating system and applications regularly to protect against security vulnerabilities. Always scan your computer for any viruses or malware with good antivirus software. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and masks your IP address, keeping your online activity private and secure. So try to use it. By following these steps, you can better protect your personal information and keep yourself safe from online threats. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.